So today I'll be showing you how to adjust the date and time on your Vitron Smart TV. Now this is very simple. First thing you have to do is go home. Now once you're on the home page, you want to go left and then left again until this menu item appears. So from here you can now scroll down and go to settings. Under settings, go to time, select that, and then here you can either auto attach, which basically means it's automatic time. So that basically allows your TV to automatically detect the time and date. Now if you want to adjust, then you have to turn off the automatic time and date, and then now you'll have the liberty to go to time edit and change the time. So you can change the year, you can change the month, the date, you can change the time. Okay, so that's basically how you can do that. Okay, so you can just scroll up and down and adjust the date and time to whatever you want, including the year. So I could maybe make this even 2027, as you can see. Okay, you can also change the date format. You can also adjust whether you want your time displayed in 24 hours or 12-hour clock system. And also you can go down and change how much time to elapse before your screensaver appears on your TV. So that's basically how to change the date and time. Once you're done, just hit the exit button and that's going to be your new date and time. Thanks for watching and good luck.